Waterfront turnkey multi-unit investment property. Cypress Point, a tropical paradise, awaits on this 0.81 acres with water on 3 sides. This peninsula-shaped property is located on the wide water of Taylor Creek, just minutes by boat to Lake Okeechobee, the bay's capital of the world. Units include a CBS 1/1, a restored 1940s 1/1 Cracker Cottage, 3 manufactured homes, 1 lot which is rented, and 4 docks. All units have separate electric meters and are fully furnished, with many rented to long-term tenants. Property is gated with beautiful landscaping and huge cypress trees. Perfect for owner-manager to live, work and play in sunny Florida. Great return for the investor. Loads of potential with projected Bass Pro Resort coming soon to Okeechobee.